In this video, I'll give you a very simple solution to convert a PNG file into a PDF. So right here I have a QR code, which if we go ahead and right click and then go to properties, you can see this file is a PNG file. Now we're going to convert that to a PDF. So to do that, right click on the file and then you need to go ahead and print it. So if you don't see print, click show more options and then go ahead and click on print. So that's at the top here. Once you've clicked on print, you can change the printer here to Microsoft Print to PDF, and you can also choose the paper size. If you go to the right here, you can choose whether you want your image on the full page or in a specific layout, and you can choose whether you want the picture to fit to the frame. Go ahead and then click print, and it will ask you where you want to save this to. I'll just save it to my desktop as tutorial example. And here it is on my desktop amongst all of the other stuff, but if we double click on it, you can see it is a PDF file and here is the image. So that's how to do it. I hope that quick video helped you out.